We are pleased to show you the 2013 Touareg. It is the most technically innovative VW since the brand has been in existence. This Volkswagen Touareg is reinterpreting the fascinating multi-purpose SUV idea in a contemporary way, thanks to a range of engines that are nearly 20% more fuel efficient and a large variety of new assistance and safety systems, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, navigation system, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, one owner, four-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, security system. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.